What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video, quick update video on Bitcoin guys. I'm currently in the streets of Taormina here, waiting for my table to get ready to eat a nice granita here from Taormina. And of course, I'm gonna update you on the Bitcoin price guys, because right now we are in this little consolidation phase. So we're gonna have a look right now into Bitcoin. But first of all guys, make sure to enjoy your summer, and hopefully you can also once come here to Taormina in Sicily, a very great place guys. Great food, everything is so great here, nice people and so on. And of course, we're gonna have a look now into Bitcoin. So let's dive here straight into the charts guys, and this is of course the 4-hour time frame, because currently I'm doing some scalp trades, and right now you can see that in the 4-hour time frame we came perfectly down to test the 200 moving average here, and also we are very close now to our previous resistance trend line, this one over here, that now is of course acting as a new support, more or less at around 117k. So what I'm expecting next is of course that Bitcoin will recover with a nice V-shaped recovery hopefully, and then of course continue here the bull run, and with Bitcoin of course also most of the altcoins as well, because although if we go over into the daily time frame, you can see that we are just coming down to test the median line of the Keltner channels. So in theory we are still looking great, and of course we are expecting more upside here. So I am currently in a long position guys. I'm expecting more upside here. I don't think that this correction or sideways consolidation will stay for too long, because here also on the weekly time frame you can see that we are in a clear uptrend, and everything is of course pointing out to the upside. So everything is looking great guys. You have different indicators that I showed you in many videos of mine here in the video description, or not in my channel of course, where you can get some price analysis for the long term that I did in regards of the Bitcoin price in the next coming weeks and months, because I'm expecting that somewhere in maybe October or November we're gonna reach the top, since I believe that we're gonna have a very nice bull run until then, and probably the cycle top of Bitcoin somewhere there. Let's have a look also quickly into Ethereum guys, because although Ethereum is still nicely here above our previous huge resistance here at $4,200, we broke it, and of course right now it looks like that Ethereum wants maybe to come down to retest it as a new support before heading higher. But also here I'm expecting very soon new all-time highs guys. We came so close to create new all-time highs. I think it's just a matter of time until Ethereum also is breaking out here to the upside. Also on the weekly time frame you can see we are above this resistance trend line, which is coming from the previous attempts of pushing towards the all-time high, and for the first time we broke it now. So that's why I think it's just a matter of time until also here we're gonna see new all-time highs for Ethereum as well. And that's why, since I believe that the altcoin season is back, I'm currently of course also buying into new coins. So if you want to get on board with some low market cap coins, then check them out guys. They're all linked here in the video description, especially Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900, Maxi Doge and so on. Here you also find the exchanges where I'm trading currently. And of course also Bitcoin Hyper guys, which is now very hyped. As you can see, they raised almost 10 millions. This is crazy guys. Bitcoin Hyper is going to be the next biggest new low market cap crypto that is launching, and we have already many bullish articles coming out already about this Bitcoin Hyper raising almost 10 millions, as you can see here, because everyone is looking at Bitcoin of course right now. And also for an altcoin season it is always good whenever we have such new projects. Doesn't matter if they're gonna pump and dump long term, because we can trade them. Doesn't matter if you like it or not guys, you can trade those new coins as well. And Bitcoin Hyper currently is the most hyped new upcoming low market cap coin. If you want to be diversified also in a little bit into low market cap coins, then Bitcoin Hyper is definitely one that I would buy right now. Of course everything no financial advice guys. There is always high risk involved with them, but during an altcoin season I think that having also some low market cap coins in your portfolio is never a wrong idea, at least in my opinion. So that's why keep in mind guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to update you whatever is going on in the crypto space, even when I'm here in Taormina enjoying my summer vacation. Today is the first day here, so I keep you updated from here guys. Now we have a little bit of stormy weather here, but I'm going to enjoy a nice granita here, a specialty from Sicily. And of course in the next coming days I will be updating you here from Taormina, and of course also from other places in Sicily, of course also later on the beach. So that's why guys, stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.